Okay, so here's the deal. I thought I was doing pretty good. I really did. And I was doing it on the weekend with not a whole lot of time and a whole lot of sleep. And then I started looking at what I had done and finding out things are not what they seem. So what I'm going to do, thank God I didn't get too far along, is I'm going to remake it. I had a little bit of time off work, not a whole lot. But along with the other chores that I had around the house, I've been fiddling with this. This is two pieces glued together, so I can make basically these two pieces over again. So we're going to see what happens. Hopefully I'll have a happier, a happier turnout, or what I don't know what I'm thinking. But anyhow, I'm hoping it'll be better. So we'll get back. So I decided that I'm going to redo everything I did. Only because I just really wasn't happy how it was turning out. And I went and popped for some different measuring devices, and it's making the world of difference on how the layout goes. I have to bring this 800 thousandths this way and drill one more hole, and so I'm going to show that and show you how it lines up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a little snug on the table. Now, let's see if we can zoom in anyhow to show how good it is. Yeah, I'm not one of those guys. But anyhow, this mark right here is the one we want to land on. So let's find out what happens, huh? With the proper measuring devices. Come on. There we go. Should nail right in the center. Yep. It just makes life so much easier when you have the right tools. I know not everybody can afford them. I'm lucky enough to have a job, and I'm a little older, so I have some of the tools anyway. But that's where I'm at today. We'll see how this piece turns out.